Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Casey and welcome back to another What's for Dinner video. This What's for Dinner video is a collab with a few other ladies here on YouTube. I will have their channels and their videos listed in the description box below. And if you are over here from one of their channels, hello and welcome. I'm happy to have you and I hope you enjoy the video. So on Thursday, we had chicken and gravy on egg noodles, which was part of the Vlogust series for Throwback Thursday meals. I will have the Vlogust 2020 playlist listed in the description box below. And on Friday, I made spaghetti, which was part of Friday $5 meal ideas for Vlogust. And both of those recipe videos will be listed in that playlist in the description box below. And on Saturday, I cooked hamburger stew, and if you've been around for any amount of time, you know that is my favorite meal, and I usually have it at least once a week. If I don't, it would be a huge surprise. So the first thing that I do is put the ground beef in the Instant Pot and put it on the saute function while I cut up the onion and potato. And once the ground beef has cooked and I drain it, I'll add the onion and season that and cook it for a couple of minutes, and then I will add all of the other ingredients. Season it with onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and McCormick's hamburger seasoning blend. And then I'm going to add a can of green beans, a can of beef broth, a can of tomatoes, and this was the basil and oregano tomatoes, but you can add whatever you have on hand. And I added a can of corn, and then of course the potatoes, and half a can of water. So you just want to make sure that the liquid is covering the potatoes, and it is. So I'm going to cancel the saute function. Make sure the vent is set to sealing, and I'm going to cook it on high pressure for 30 minutes. And I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like. This is my favorite meal in the entire world, and I definitely eat it all year around. So on Sunday, I cooked dinner at my mama's house for my sister's birthday. This is a pretty complicated chicken stuffing casserole. I will leave a recipe video in the description box below for the full recipe. We serve it with cranberry sauce and corn. And on Monday night, I cooked some chicken fajitas. The first thing that I do is wash the bell peppers very good, and then I'll get those cut up with the onion and the chicken and get it put all in a bowl together with these 2 packs of fajita seasoning blend and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'll let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes while I get everything else ready so the chicken can come to room temperature. And that small bowl is just some peppers and onions with the fajita seasoning for my daughters. My daughter does not eat meat. So once I get this started, I just cook it in a pan for however long it takes for the chicken to get done, and then of course everything is ready, and we serve this on tortillas. I had mine with just a little bit of cheese, and then my son just had chicken, cheese, and sour cream on his. So on Tuesday, I was supposed to grill for Take It to the Grill Tuesdays for Vlogust, but it was raining outside and I did not get to do that. So I cooked some baked beans with a little bit of ground beef and barbecue sauce. My sister made some French style green beans and she added onion to those. She made some Velveeta shells macaroni and cheese. I made some cheeseburgers and hamburgers, and I cut up some tomatoes to go on those. Served it with some pickles on the side, and I had got this macaroni salad at Walmart. It was the Amish brand. I thought it was really good, but nobody else liked it. And I have 2 bags of chips also that we served with it. And that is my plate. That is going to wrap up this week's What's for Dinner video. Make sure you go check out the other ladies' videos and channels. And if you are new here, please stick around and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you all in my next video.